A very good morning to all of you. Today we are discussing our next chapter, which is chapter number 3, which is related to our coordinate geometry for class 9th. Coordinate geometry. First, we discuss about coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? This is the new branch of mathematics. Okay, as we are very familiar with the branch of mathematics, algebra. Similar, जैसे अलजेब्रा होता है उसी तरीके से हमारे पास एक मैथमेटिक्स की और दूसरी ब्रांच है जिसको हम बोलते हैं कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस हियर अबाउट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. In coordinate geometry, if I write x and y, okay, first we have to write the value of x and then we have to write the value of y. X may be positive as well as negative and the value of y may be positive as well as negative. These two values when written in the small bracket is called as coordinate. This function is called coordinate. The value of x is known as abscissa and the value of y is known as ordinate. Okay, if I want to write a number 3 and 4 where 3 is abscissa and 4 is ordinate, then the student is writing as 3, 4. 3 is the value of abscissa, it means it is the value of x, and ordinate is 4, this is the value of y. Okay, now we move to next point. Our next point is related to Cartesian plane. As you are very familiar with these two axes, this is known as x-axis and this is known as y-axis. Okay, now we discuss about Cartesian system. Cartesian system. Okay, in Cartesian system, the x, here is the value of x is positive and here is the value of y is positive. If I draw a horizontal line as x and x dash and the vertical line as y and y dash, this horizontal x and x dash is called as x-axis and the vertical lines which I draw as y and y dash are called as vertical lines. Here is the value of x is positive and x dash is negative, means the value of x is negative, and in the upper portion the value of y is positive and at the bottom, below the bottom, the value of y dash is negative. According to Cartesian system, the x dash and y dash are divided into 4 parts. First, second, third, fourth. We call them as quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And this is the fourth quadrant. At the point where two axes are intersecting each other is called as origin. And the coordinate of origin is 0 and 0. It means the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 0, and these two lines, horizontal and vertical lines, are intersecting each other at point called as origin and the coordinate is 0, 0. Here the value of abscissa is 0 and also the value of ordinate is 0. Okay. In first quadrant, the value of x is positive and also the value of y is also positive. And in the second quadrant, here it is x dash. The value of x is negative and the value of y is positive. And in this quadrant, the value is minus and minus, because x dash, here it is given that here it is written as x dash. The value of x is negative and also the value of y dash is also negative. Now at the fourth quadrant, this is the last quadrant. In fourth quadrant, the value is x. Now the value of x is positive and then the value is y dash and the value of y dash is negative. In next session we continue our chapter again, and by these quadrant we plot the points on the Cartesian system. Thank you.